Hello creators, welcome to Filmora Masterclass. Today we are diving deep into the world of hashtags on TikTok. Let's start with a standout example from Filmora to see hashtag mastery in action. Check this out, but hold your thoughts, we will revisit it shortly. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything about it for now. Let's take a look at hashtag types you need and come back to that example. Now let's break down the types of hashtags you will need to boost your content. First up, trending hashtags. They are your ticket to catch the trend waves. Take a look at how this video taps into the buzz around artificial intelligence. Next, niche specific hashtags. These are crucial for reaching your core audience. Here is a perfect example of a video using focus tags like marketing hack and social media marketing. And don't forget about branded hashtags. Here's how Chipotle uses their brand name as a hashtag to create a community around their content. Because if you are not the one using your brand as a hashtag, nobody is going to do it for you. Great, now let me show you the first example. As you can see, Filmora and Made with Filmora are the branded hashtags. Video edits and visual effects and VFX are niche specific hashtags. And Magic Trick is a trending hashtag. This is a perfect example. And let's talk about influencers. They are the trendsetters, right? Follow those whose content resonates with yours to see which hashtags they are using. Here's how to do it. For example, when I found Will Smith on TikTok, I clicked on his latest post. At first, I didn't see anything, but after scrolling, there it was. He used the hashtag Coachella, which is a music festival. This indicates it has a virality potential. Once you start following enough influencers, just keep scrolling through your For You page and keep an eye on the hashtags they are using. If you find something interesting, click on it and explore other videos using the same hashtag. It's both a source of inspiration and a way to conduct hashtag research. Now, explore the goldmine, the TikTok Creative Center. Here's how you can find all trending hashtags in one place. Navigate to the TikTok Creative Center. Locate trends under trends, and you will find hashtags. Click on it, select your country, and voila! You can now see all the trending hashtags at once and gauge their popularity. Wait, did you notice something? Let's go back. The #1 hashtag in United States is Coachella. I'm not surprised at all. Beyond the hashtag giants, there is a world of niche hashtags. These gems might not boost millions of views, but they are tailored to your content. For instance, if you're into do-it-yourself crafts, instead of using hashtag DIY, try more specific hashtags like do-it-yourself decor or do-it-yourself crafting tips or just crafting tips. Every niche has its tribe and connecting with them is key. Let's explore community hashtags. For yoga fans, hashtags like yoga life and mindful movement connect you directly with fellow yogis. Or if you're into gaming, gamers unite and game streaming can be your go-to tags to engage with that community. Now let me show you a website. Visit counting.com. Click on TikTok tools and then select hashtag generator. Type keyword. For instance, I used biking. It will then display all the related hashtags associated with biking, and most importantly, it provides the volumes for each hashtag. My suggestion is this: if you're a small creator, be aware that hashtags with high volumes could be saturated, dominated by larger creators. Instead, consider using smaller volume hashtags. Over time, you could begin to dominate these hashtags, potentially gaining views simply because you are consistently using them. Now that we have identified the perfect mix of branded, niche-specific, and trending hashtags, the next suggestion is how many should we use? On TikTok, the best practice for the number of hashtags per post can vary based on your content and strategy. However, a good guideline is to aim for 3 to 5 hashtags per post. The balance allows you to effectively combine trending hashtags, niche-specific hashtags, and possibly one branded hashtag without overcrowding your caption. Consider using a mix of broad trending hashtags and niche-specific hashtags. A practical approach would be to use 1 to 2 trending, 2 to 3 niche-specific hashtags, and 1 branding hashtag. Using too many hashtags can dilute your message, making it less likely for your content to appear on the most relevant For You pages. Just take a look at this. It doesn't come across as professional or authentic. Remember, TikTok's caption character limit also encourages concise posting, including with hashtags. Focusing on a few relevant hashtags ensures your content reaches the right audience without overwhelming viewers with too much information. Now, let's dive into the pro tips. Relevance over popularity. Always prioritize hashtags that are relevant to your content over merely popular ones. Using irrelevant but popular hashtags might boost your views temporarily, but it won't necessarily improve engagement or lead to meaningful interactions. For example, avoid generic tags like follow for follow or discovery page that don't relate directly to your content. Create a unique hashtag for your brand or series. This is crucial for building a strong brand identity. A unique hashtag not only distinguishes your content but also encourages users to interact with your brand directly. It becomes a way for your audience to engage with you and each other under a unified banner. How to create a video that inspires engagement. For instance, if Filmora is hosting an online AI video editing skills competition, I need to post an introductory video for the event. This video should emphasize hashtag information both in the video content and in the description. It is important to make it very clear to users that if they want to participate in the competition, they must include hashtag Filmora AI Edit in their video description when posting. Okay, let's do this. I open Filmora. Let's say I want to show the hashtag in the video. I click on titles and search for hashtag. I like the first result that appeared. Let's see how it looks. Great. I grab it and place it on top of the clip. Then I click on the titles in the right hand corner and change the hashtag to hashtag Filmora AI Edit. Okay, let's make it a little smaller and reposition it. First, I click on video at the top, reduce the scale a bit and drag it to the left. And here is the result. You can also go back to titles and play with the look, colors and even add a background. If you film against a white background, it will make the hashtag more readable. And look at my face. Why do I always pick the most embarrassing moment? You may say, I like to do this type of video, but I don't want to show myself. I've got you covered. Let's go to the template and pick a subcategory. I choose advertising and assume that I am a small business. I type small business and drag and drop the first video. As you can see, it is a ready-made video with visuals, text, music and everything. Let's personalize it. I click on click to replace material and now I see media, stock media, text and I am at the media section. If I wanted, I could select the clips and change them. But let's say we didn't record anything. We need a scene of a person shooting with a camera instead of this current scene. I click on stock media, type shooting with a camera, find one I like and drag and drop it here. The problem is video is horizontal but I need a vertical one. So I double click it and hit crop clip. Select the vertical ratio which is 9:16 and hit replace. Then I go back to the media again and drag and drop the rest of the clips. Now let's hit text and in here I can change the text to put my brand name, email, call to action or anything I want to highlight. And then I can hit save and let's take a look. Great, let's continue on where we left. Always put your hashtags at the end of your description, not to the beginning. It's all about keeping your message clear and engaging without distracting your audience right off the bat. Notice how the description leads and hashtags follows. It is structured and it flows better. And finally, after implementing all the strategies, how do we know if they really worked? Regularly check which pieces of content are bringing in views and engagement. Remember, not all tags perform equally across different platforms of content, so it is crucial to monitor the performance if hashtag isn't pulling its weight. Don't hesitate to replace it. Continue testing different combinations to find what truly resonates with your audience. Here is a pro tip for all you TikTok creators. My last tip for this video. Upload your video content directly from your mobile device. This platform is optimized for mobile use, meaning uploads from mobile devices often perform better in terms of engagement and discoverability. We have now come to the end of our video. Remember, every element must harmonize from the placement to the selection. Experiment, analyze, and adapt. That's your strategy for hashtag success on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, please share this with fellow creators. See you in the next video.